Hello, my name is Steven, but most of you guys know me as Lear 3003. And if you guys doesn't know, for the past like a few weeks, I got my YouTube account hacked. To be more specific, my Google account. And today I will just explain how all of this happened and how I got my account back. So first of all, before I explain all the stuff, I will say that I will take some of the responsibilities because I was basically downloading something that you are not supposed to be downloading, and it is actually like a video editing software. If you guys don't know, my editing software, it was Premiere Pro, and I think you can get it pretty much little to no cost if you are a college student or you're even like middle school or high school student. You get like a big discount, at least in the US. But the downside is that whenever the semester is over and your subscription is also going to expire. So I was trying to find like a old video editing software that called yeah, you know what, I'm not even going to say the name because they are clearly not the scammers, and personally I use their software a lot back in the day. I just want to say, if you want any software or any games or any that sort of things, you need to go to their official website and buy the subscription or purchase the product. You shouldn't go to like some random website and just download it for free. And that's exactly what I did, and I basically paying the price of that. I'm almost losing my entire channel and my Google account, which is I link a lot of stuff. I think I bought a lessons here that I will probably never do this again. Like I said, I kind of deserve this because the actual setup, like the actual install application that I was downloading from the website, is literally called setup.exe. It's super obvious, and I still don't believe how I fall for this, but I click on it and there's actually nothing happening initially. So I was saying like, okay, this is just not working, and I was basically just go and do something else. And this happened on November 20th, and on the 23rd, I think, evening, and I was in like a little trip with my families and at the hotel, and I want to watch some YouTubes. So anyways, I was trying to open the app basically showing that I'm not even logging to my Google account. So that's basically the first red flag. I basically just I just relog in, and after I enter the correct password and the YouTube said my password has been changed basically less than hours ago. So now I just basically saying, okay, so how about like two-factor verification, using my phone and my recovery email. Whenever I try to like do that, it doesn't even show me there's like a two-step verification. Then now I'm basically, and just I don't know what to do because I never encountered this. 10 minutes later, and I just say, okay, how about like I'm going to check my previous recovery email and see what's on there. So whenever I check that, November 23rd, 7 p.m., within 1 minute, I received 4 emails from Google Security saying that my recovery email has changed, my password has changed, they changed my recovery phone number too, and they also add like a security key on my account. Whenever I read this, I was just like, oh no, I don't even know what to do. And I was trying to contact YouTube, but actually there's literally no like specific way that you can contact YouTube. So they don't have like a phone number, they don't have an email, so you cannot really contact YouTube and that way. And my parents told me like, okay, just call the bank and just disable my credit card and all that kind of stuff. I was trying to log into my Discord, and I can't actually log into my Discord for some reason, even though my Google account got hacked. Like, the Google changed my password, but I actually using Google to log into my Discord, but somehow I can still log into my Discord. So I immediately told, like, basically everybody that I can contact with, saying that my account got hacked. If anybody sending stuff to you that might not be me, and that might be scams. And I check all my YouTube channels, and my YouTube channel just completely like changed to another name called Tesla US, and all my videos are gone, and they try to host like a stream some sort. So after that, I watch some of the video, I do my research, like see how can I get my account back, and I found like a few videos. The content creator encountered a similar issue as me. They have like a common solution, which is just to contact YouTube on Twitter. So first of all, I was a little bit skeptical about this, because how can YouTube's Twitter can solve problems? Like, I never understand. I have like a Twitter account, but I don't really use them. I only use my Twitter account to check if there's any news about Micro Dungeon or Micro Legends, because usually whenever they update, they usually put like teasers and stuff on their Twitter account for some reason. So anyways, I followed the team YouTube Twitters, and I sent them a tweet saying, okay, my YouTube just got hacked, and what can I do? And after like 2 hours, they reply me saying, so first of all, they just they reply me saying, we send you a DM, check the DM. So I checked the DM, and they send me a form, and they basically just, in the form, they basically just ask you some, like, the basically only information if you own the channel. So I answer the best I can. I send back to them, and after a day, they reply me saying, okay, looks like your account is indeed being hacked. First, they just disable my account, and then it's like 26. They sent me an email, basically ask me to try to relog in using the 3 ways they provide me. So I basically just used the first way, and I was trying to log in, basically just try to normally recover my account. And this time I can somehow using my previous recovery email. That's really good, so I just immediately do that. That's basically how I got my account back. But my channel still is like, at that time, like November 26th, my channel is still terminated. You know, because I felt like what the hacker posting on my channel is most likely like a scam. It's basically like Elon Musk is streaming. He's talking about like cryptocurrency. I'm not gonna lie. If you like actually like a random people just see like an account just randomly posting Elon Musk talking about crypto scam, that's actually kind of funny. But that's how I got my account back. And a few days later, at the 28th, I think, they brought my channel back. And I'm trying to like, re-uploading all the videos. Thank God, all the video, just all they are hidden, like private, set to private, so I can just just posting the video public, and everything looks good. They deleted my banner for some reason too, like so I need to create like a new banner. Yeah, that's how I got my channel back. And like I said in the beginning, I'm taking like some responsibility on this situation. If other people seeing these videos, that you don't make the mistake that I did. I just want to make this video to let you know that I got my account back. I might posting videos like later down the line. I don't even know when. And at last, I think, so this is basically the first time I'm doing this kind of video like this. I actually don't want the first video of me talking to be topics like this, but I think I have to do this video just to be respectful for my viewers, because I'm sorry for my viewers, because like I'm put you guys through this. I'm really sorry about that, and I feel sorry for the people who unsubscribe me too. If you are turning like notification on, and you just one day you just immediately saw like Elon Musk streaming crypto scam, like you got a notification of that, and you rightfully so going to unsubscribe me. So I just want to say sorry for them if they ever going to watch these videos. Yeah, I think that's about it. I might make a video talk about like why I didn't make video recently about Minecraft Dungeon. I'm not gonna lie that I'm kind of burnt off on that game. It is what it is. I spend a lot of time playing that game. Obviously, some of you guys are spending way more time compared to me, but I'm a gamer too. I'm just experiencing other games. It's not really means that I will never make Minecraft Dungeon videos, but we will see. Right, we will see. Like, okay, that's all I want to say.